Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video I'd like to talk about TubeBuddy and how it helped me to grow my YouTube channel. It's it's not easy. It's not easy when you start in your journey as a creator. It takes a lot of time to grow on YouTube, and you probably have seen how long it takes for your competitors to grow. So you'll take a lot of time to grow as well. But I don't have a huge YouTube channel. But in the past 3 months, since I started my YouTube channel, I've seen some results. Okay, and these results are due to the TubeBuddy Keyword Explorer feature, because I used the Keyword Explorer, and it really helped me to grow, to rank my videos. So for for example, I searched on YouTube Facebook ads course, and as you can see here, search volume is pretty good, searches per month, as you can see, but the competition is huge. So if you're going to use this keyword, you're gonna have a hard time ranking um, with this keyword, right? So what you want to do is to tab here and click here for weighted, and here as you can see we have this keyword. This is a keyword with a very high competition. So what you need to do right now is to try different keywords, because this keyword ain't good. Search volume, it's fair, competition, unweighted. So as you can see here, general score for how good this keyword is to target based on search volume and competition. So competition here, this arrow should be to green part, because it's this side you should not use. You shouldn't use this keyword. And optimization strength, this is good, but you have to have around like your goal has to be to find a keyword that has all the bars in the green, because you want a keyword that is in high demand but not oversaturated. So what you need to do right now is to look for different keywords. You just need to test different keywords, to try different keywords, so you can optimize your videos. And also you can optimize your video after you found the keywords. You can also optimize your video by just including as many keywords from your video in your description. That's another tip. It's very important. So now let me show you. Just let's try this keyword. Tap on the keywords, and also here select weighted, because weighted is how good this keyword is to target for your specific channel based on search volume, competition, relevancy, and how you compare to other currently ranking in a search. And this is not good either. We need to have green to all of these 3 bars. In all 3 bars you need to have green, and this is not a good keyword either to use. So let's test other keywords. Facebook course 2020, how to create Facebook ads for beginners. Let's see. Can actually take keywords from here. English for affiliate marketing. Okay, let's copy this keyword. Let's go here. And now let's test this keyword. Explore. So guys, as I said, your goal right now is to find keywords that have the bars in the green, because you want a keyword or keywords that is in high demand but not oversaturated. So please do your research, and it will take time to test different keywords. But this So once you found keywords that have all the bars in the green, with those keywords you'll be able to rank, so it's worth it. It's worth it to take the time to find good keywords. So I hope this video helped you. And now guys, see you in the next video. Take care.